Hey guys, Gadget Zone here, and today we'll be reviewing the 1TB external hard drive by Toshiba. On the packaging, we can see that it uses a USB 3.0 connecting cable and comes with a storage backup and password protection software. The software is free to download, however they can only be done so for Windows. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty and has an aluminium finished body. The back just explains this in different languages. Inside the box are 2 leaflets, one showing the contact details in case any support is required, and the other just contains regulatory information. The cable has a USB 3.0 connection, so you can connect it to any device that has one of those ports. It is 50 centimeters or 20 inches from end to end, which is plenty for any use. The hard drive itself has an aluminium finish with Toshiba inscribed in the top corner. The edges have a black strip running along them with a light in the top left corner which will flash blue when connected to a device. The hard drive is very conveniently lightweight and slim at only 8mm or 1/3 of an inch thick, so space should never be an issue. So connecting it up to a device now, I'm using my laptop, and from this angle the blue light is hidden, but it definitely did flash when it connected. Depending on the device, a prompt will appear, where you can then decide what actions to take with the hard drive. Going into the settings from there, the hard drive can be found under other devices, and here you can see exactly how much storage is being used and how much space you have left of storage. Going into the hard drive directory itself, you can see it already comes with a few files, including the instruction manual and the user's manual, both of which have the equivalent in different languages. And then the links to download the free storage backup and password protection software. Using the hard drive is as simple as copying and pasting any files on the device to the hard drive directory. And here we can see that it has all the files copied over as expected. Without the initial prompt, the hard drive details can be accessed through the device's settings and then under storage. And now we can see it has updated the amount of storage used and the space still available. After ensuring the hard drive is safe to eject, it can be removed just by pulling out the cable. My experience using this hard drive by Toshiba has been very pleasant. It has done the job very efficiently without any complications, and the slim design removes any possible inconvenience. If you enjoyed this content or would like to see more, please consider subscribing below. Thank you for watching.